Good morning, guys. In front of me is OnePlus Ace 3, and let me show you how to reset all the settings. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select additional settings, go to backup and reset, and now mark reset phone. Here select reset all settings, draw your unlock pattern, and if you really want to get rid of all the setup, mark reset all settings again and confirm it one more time. As you can see, it has been already done. Here you've got the information. You can even see it on your screen that the DIMM has been changed, and everything, all the apps and setup, everything has been deleted. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.